Hello, this is LED lights for you. My name is Paul Young. This is our phone number here and details of us. What I'd like to say is what makes a good LED light. Very, very important. This is a sort of bulb, I'll just bring it up to the camera, that we started with 8 years ago. Some of these are still going, by the way. That gives you an idea. They were aluminium body, which acts as a heat sink, and you can see there's airways through there because that keeps it cool. And the lenses cover the LEDs. These are Cree LEDs in this one, made in America. So that was the sort of light that we started marketing. And the reason we did that is because it was the only one that was bright enough to replace a downlight, a 50-watt halogen. This was the one. We've much maintained that same sort of standard when it comes to commercial lights. Commercial lights. This is a new light that we're doing, which uses Nika LEDs. The actual LEDs are on a board which is actually on a heat sink, again made of alloy, quite heavy this, and we use a very well-known brand of driver. This is a Meanwell driver, and you'll notice that you connect onto the end of a lead. Very important that all our lights, all our commercial lights, have got sealed electronics. Now the reason for that is that they are literally electronics. They're no different to your laptop or your processor or even your mobile phone. You don't want to get dust and dirt in there. So the one thing you don't want is an opening for it. So all of our lights tend to be what we call plug and play, like this. And again, this same sort of thing, same principle. All the LEDs here, these are Epi-Star. This is our 6-foot batten, twin LED batten, and 44 watts. And these LEDs are all in rows, and they're on an aluminium casing. If this was made of tin or plastic, it wouldn't work. We couldn't run these LEDs so bright. In other words, we couldn't maintain the temperature of them. So it's very important to have the heat sink. Then you get better electronics. And in this case, 110 lumen per watt. This one here, 130 lumen per watt. Extraordinary. We've even got a light that actually gives you 150 lumen per watt. But you can only achieve that if you have a good design with a heat sink and you've got good quality components. We use branded components, Cree LEDs, Cree Epi-Star, Nika, Samsung, and also Meanwell drivers. Again, our drivers, we go for, I'll just put that up there a minute, TUV standard on all our products. This is the type of certificate that we have on our products. It's a TUV approved. Now what is TUV? TUV Rheinland is a German quality standard. It's a build standard. And by building them to this standard, we can guarantee that they will last more than 3 or 5 years. We can give a guarantee of more than 3 or 5 years on the products. Our frontline products, 5-year guarantee, 3-year guarantee on the battens. We know that from experience, we've got lights that are still running at 7 or 8 years old. So we know we're right. So what makes a good LED? LED lights for you does. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.